What's up, craft kids? Laptops.
All right, first thing we're gonna draw is a
Rectangle.
That's right. We're gonna put it right here in the middle of the page. So try to make it about that big, okay? Good job, dude. All right, next, we're gonna do the bottom part of the laptop. Bless you. And it's gonna angle out because it's getting closer to us. So it's gonna actually look a little bit like a trapezoid, okay? So it's gonna have a small angle here. Small angle here. Good job. Okay. Once you feel like these lines are about the right length, you're gonna connect them across, okay? There we go. Now, to make it look a little three-dimensional, we're gonna give it a line that goes down and another line that goes down. Just real short. Right in there. Good, and then we're gonna connect them across, okay? Good. Now part of this laptop is gonna be like a dark color anyway, so you can take that and just fill it in. Now we're gonna do a screen, okay? So we're just gonna do a shape that mimics the outside edge. Maybe around the corners just a little tiny bit. Okay, can you do that? Good job. Now we have just to do the keys, and then we'll put an image on the screen. Okay, ready? I'll show you how to do these. The keyboard keys.
Yeah.
Show you how to do these super simple. Okay, watch. You watching? Okay, we're gonna do the similar thing that we did up here. We're gonna make a shape that mimics the outside edge, all the way around. And then we're just gonna put a grid, okay? But when you get to the middle, the line needs to be straight. And when you get to the edge, the line is gonna mimic the outside edge. So they're gonna slowly get closer and closer to being straight up and down. Does that feel like something you can do, or do you need some help? Need some help? Good job. And you might as well make the rest of them straight up and down, okay? And then do the other side, the other side. How that one okay, now we're gonna go across this way. Okay, and do like 4 or 5 lines, however many fit. And then do 5. And there you go. Great. That's okay. Look, we have keyboards and computers. We just have to put something on the screen. What do you want to put on the screen? I was thinking we'd put Alexander the Great's from one of our previous drawings and put the link in the description for that. Okay? Ready? Okay, we'll start by making a stem with a leaf in each direction. Oh, nice job. Just connect it. There you go. Good. Good. Now watch what we do here. For the grapes part, we just do circles. Good job. So we have laptops, right? So all you have to do now is color. We're gonna do this really cool magic trick. What are we doing? Are we snapping?
Yeah.
You want to snap? 1, 2, 3. Look, Odin, they're colored!
Yeah!
All right, good job, buddy. laptops. So these are laptops, and this is connected to the How to Use Basic Shapes to Draw Things series. This is rectangle. So we decided tonight to draw a laptop. Odin went missing. Oh, you found it. Nice job, buddy. Did you have fun drawing these laptops, Odin?
Yeah.
Good. So we'll put a link in the description for a playlist of the series, so you can get to it easily. And until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.
What are you guys doing? What's he doing?
I'm gonna show you.
Show me, honey.